In this video, you will learn how to solder professionally. Let's go. So this is the solder that I'm using. This is from Amazon and it is from the company Nil. In this kit, you also get a desoldering pump, 2 lead-free solders. So let's plug in the solder first. So just to turn this on, you just press this button. And voila, you will hear it. Do you hear it? I don't want to burn my mic, so I'm going to keep it far. And you can adjust this dial to play with the temperature of the solder iron. So while that is heating, let's just place this aside for now. And let's get on the motor. Okay, so this is what I'll be soldering these wires on. And what I want is that this male adapter can be attached to this motor. So what I want to do is I'll cut this part off and also this part off. So I'm left with the copper parts. So just be careful while you're doing this though. And now what you can do is you can slowly strip off the wire like this. And as a final result, we get this. And the male part is still on. Now here comes the best part where we try to solder it together. Okay, how are we gonna hold this first? It's pretty simple. So there is no correct or the wrong way of holding this iron. How I hold it is pretty much like a pencil, like this, but don't write with it though. I curve my finger with the pressure on top. And then I try to get this long edge to it, as doing this helps to lower this down. So remember, before you do anything, just remember that the ground or wherever you're working is protected, as I do not want to ruin this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this just like where you can place it like that. If you do not have any other resource, there you go, just like that. Just make sure that the copper place is touching it. And you're going to place in this area. And remember, where you're gonna touch the solder and this wire is with this area of the solder iron. And remember, before you touch these two together, the fan is on, as it is not good to inhale this. And you can push this into the solder so that it will melt into the area where you want to apply it. There you go, I did it. One done. Now time for the second. Just place it on top on the area where you want to connect them and just push in the solder into the wire. And you're done. Now I just want to give it a little more because I feel like it might get out. But remember not to apply too much, as it will be easy for it to break off after. And there you have it. You have our DC motor properly soldered.